So here we are at Universal Studios Hollywood for Grinchmas, and we're about to meet the Grinch. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We love the Grinch. Can you tell? Can you tell? Let me see your outfit, little man. Yeah. So, all right, we're waiting in line. Line's going pretty quick. Awesome. He's very interactive with everybody as always. And the tree lighting ceremony happens right there. So, yeah. Here we are in a few minutes. We're gonna meet him.
You have to go to the red hearts, the red lit up hearts on the other side of this.
That's where the line is. Over there.
This is why I am so alone. Come here. I've never met royalty before. I've been here. Forgiveness. What do I do? Help! I've never met royalty. I can't believe I just met royalty. Wow. What? Fans? Oh, good. I'm kind of hot. All this fur. Give me the award.
The town of Whoville proudly bestows upon you its highest honor.
Wait! He stole our Christmas! What? Prove it. Well, what's in the bag? Male yearning. Oh, I found it, I know. Yeah, no, thank you. What's in the bag, Bruno? Oh. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
What's your name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel? I'm Grinch. Put her there. I wish I had a cool
Hey,
name like
Emily.
that. Yeah, how you been?
Good.
Come here, let's go, buddy. What do you think? What should we do this time? Really? You got something to tell me? Okay, what are you going to tell me? Yeah, I see that. Look at it.
And then on the back of the...
And there's Max, yeah, he's fake. He always helps, you know?
And by the way, me and Daddy are doing a special thing when we dress up.
That's awesome!
And you know that girl, and when I was a adult, when I was a baby.
Wait, are you saying that you two are bonding because of me?
Yeah.
Wow! I feel so important right now. I could just, whoa. Sorry, I'm bubbling over with Christmas cheer. Come here. Let's take a picture, man.
And you know that those penguin wrappers when I was a baby?
Yeah.
Those,
Yeah.
I got those when I was a baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree. Now count with me, one and all, from 5 to 1, who's tall and small. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the humanity Wait, double wait. I forgot one little ball. And here, woohoo, we go!
So the Grinch saved Christmas, and all through the town, all the who's in Whoville watched the snow falling down.